Where did Mahatma Gandhi first practice Satyagraha in India? A. Champaran, B. Ahmedabad, C. Kheda. Correct answer is A. Champaran. Where is the Somnath temple located? A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Who was the first Indian woman to go into space? A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sunita Williams, C. Tessie Thomas. Correct answer is A. Kalpana Chawla. Which animal sleeps wearing shoes? A. Horse, B. Camel, C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Horse. When was the steam engine first used? A. 1698 AD, B. 1769 AD, C. 1804 ईस्वी. Correct answer is A. 1698 AD. In which field is the Dada Saheb Phalke Award given? A. Literature, B. Cinema, C. Sports. Correct answer is B. Cinema. Where is the Jama Masjid located? A. Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Agra. Correct answer is A. Delhi. How many players are there in a football team? A. 9, B. 10, C. 11. Correct answer is C. 11. Where is the Victoria Memorial located? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Which train covers the longest distance in India? A. Vivek Express, B. Rajdhani Express, C. Duronto Express. Correct answer is A. Vivek Express. Where is Sarnath located? A. Lucknow, B. Varanasi, C. Gorakhpur. Correct answer is B. Varanasi. In which city is the memorial of Rani Lakshmibai located? A. Jhansi, B. Gwalior, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is B. Gwalior. What is the most expensive substance in the world? A. Gold, B. Antimatter, C. Diamond. Correct answer is B. Antimatter. Which country has no rivers at all? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Egypt, C. Qatar. Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which place is known as the Space City of India? A. Sriharikota, B. Bengaluru, C. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Sriharikota. In which direction is potato farming not done? A. East, B. West, C. South. Correct answer is C. South. After how many years is the census conducted in India? A. Every 5 years, B. Every 10 years, C. Every 12 years. Correct answer is B. Every 10 years. What is the Hindi word for ambulance? A. Rogi Vahan, patient vehicle, B. Upchar Vahan, C. Jeevan Rakshak Gadi. Correct answer is A. Rogi Vahan, patient vehicle. Which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Godavari, C. Brahmaputra. Correct answer is A. Ganga. Where are brass utensils manufactured the most in India? A. Moradabad, B. Jaipur, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Moradabad.